person. For people who are writing in your queries, please give us your name so that we can address it accordingly. But we have his query. He's holding around 21 odd shares of Waaree Renewables, bought at 1813 a piece. He wants to know as to what should be the next course of action for this particular counter, because if we see Waaree Renewables is down 11% today, and we've seen the counter seeing the downtick since quite some days now. When I'll come to you on this one, since he's not mentioned whether he wants a short-term or a long-term view. How does Waaree look to you on the charts right now?
Yeah, sorry, but I cannot open the chart of the same company, so I won't be able to comment on it.
Sure. Sure. Saurabh, I'll come to you then on this one. Waaree Renewables, how does the counter hold up to you?
See, first of all, the valuations were on the higher side, and this is one of the reasons why we are seeing intense selling. And the second reason was the listing of the parent company. So many of the earlier investors have reduced their holding in this company and switched to the parent company. In my opinion, the valuations are still stretched. I think it is best to get out of the stock in case you get some bounce.
Valuations look stretched, so get out of the counter is the view coming in on Waaree Renewables. Moving on to the next caller, Divya from UP is calling in. Divya, very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Divya. I was holding 6 shares of Cochin Shipyard at price 1497.
Okay.
So I want to know that I will hold or sell.
Okay. Are you a long-term holder or a short-term holder for this particular counter?
Short-term holder.
Short-term holder. So you saw the technicals and bought the stock, I believe.
Yes, sir.
All right. Vinay, I'll straight away come to you on this one. Cochin Shipyard is the counter. How does it look on charts?
So it is looking weak only. Recently, it has breached a crucial support of its 50 and 200 days EMA. So the setup is quite weak, and it is lower top, lower bottom formation also. So if a gentleman is a short-term trader, then definitely it should be held with a strict stop loss, only because not only the stock but sector as well as the entire market is going weak, and that's the concern. So in this scenario, I would suggest us keeping a stop loss at 1350. That should be the stop loss. If that is holding, then look for a higher levels to exit the long position. At the higher level 1520, at the higher level I see a resistance around 1500. So if this stop loss is not breached and if the stock is getting some recovery, then at higher levels around 1500 one should exit, and if continues to be going down around that, 1350 should be kept as a stop loss.
Moving on to the next caller, Vikas from Hyderabad is calling in. Vikas, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Yeah, good morning. This is Vikas.
Yes, Vikas, I can hear you.
Yeah, my query is regarding Enviro Infra Engineering, which is recently listed.
Right.
Yeah, I bought 500 shares at 306.50, and I saw some correction now. So,
right.
Should I add some more, or shall I wait for some more time, and or should I hold it for shorter term, for 3 to 4 months?
3 to 4 months is the time horizon. So how did you plan to enter Enviro Infra?
I entered at 306.50.
Right.
I entered for the 6 months purpose.
Oh, okay. Ajit, I'm not sure if you have enough information with respect to the charts on Enviro Infra. Do you?
No, Mahima. In fact, it's been like, I guess, 10-15 days.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Saurabh, any view on Enviro Infra?
Won't be able to comment on that.
Okay, so Vikas, since it's a very new company, it's difficult, to get that query answered. But if you have a query with respect to any other stock, you can go ahead.
Yeah, Waaree Engineers, Waaree Energies.
Waaree Energy. All right. What do you want to know about Waaree Energy? Do you want a longer-term view?
I added like 100 shares yesterday. I mean, like last trading day.
Okay.
On Friday evening for 2,698.
Okay.
So, like, shall I hold it for 1 year period, or can I see some correction over there again?
Okay. Saurabh, Waaree Energies is the counter. Do you have a view on this one?
See, while the correction cannot be ruled out because of the valuations, but yes, the company has great potential. They'll be adding new capacities, and the next 2-3 years will be, will be phenomenally well for this company. So, in my opinion, he should remain invested.